Hello viewers, this is Subathra Mylsamy, partner at AK Mylsamy and Associates. Today we are going to be dealing with a very interesting topic on social media influencers and the laws which are going to be applicable. So recently there were several news on the social media which mentioned about taxing an influencer, and this made us to dig a little deeper, and here I am to enlighten you on these laws. So if you are a social media influencer with 1,000 or more subscribers or followers, then this is an absolute video for you to watch. And today we will be dealing with two laws from this area. One is the taxation angle and the other is the endorsement liability. So the first aspect is on the endorsement liability. Now Section 21 of the Consumer Protection Act clearly states that any endorser is going to be accountable in case of any misleading advertisement which you feature in. Which means the endorsers, as in the influencers, must be very cautious on the brands which they are going to endorse. So there might be a penalty which is going to be about 10 lakhs on the endorser for any false or misleading advertisements for the first instance. And if the endorsement continues, then the penalty may also increase up to about 50 lakhs or so. So not only the Consumer Protection Act levies these penalties, it also prohibits you further from endorsing any other products or services up to a period of 1 year at the first instance. And if there is a subsequent breach, this period of prohibition also will extend to up to about 3 years or so. So if you could recollect over the past years, say about in 2000 and so, there were a lot of celebrity endorsements. For example, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan had made endorsements for a particular fairness cream. I think it is the Imami fairness cream, where to a large extent people believed and trusted the endorsement and started to buy the product and use it. And then complaints were raised that nobody had gotten fairer and things like that. Similarly, the Maggi noodles also came up with a lot of controversy where there were oppositions made on the product as such, and celebrity endorsements were widely done for the product. So things like this have been put to a large extent and examined by the government as such, and new enactments and laws have come in to avoid certain kind of endorsements which are being done by the celebrities, in order to protect the public in the large interest. So the next law which we are going to deal is about the taxation issues, which is about the 10% TDS, which is covered under the Section 194R of the Income Tax Act of 1961. Now this 10% TDS for the influencers has become applicable only from the 1st of July 2022. It's first important to know what this TDS is about. Now, TDS is nothing but it is the tax which is being deducted at the source, which means this is the amount that has to be paid by the brand that is giving you the product to promote as such as an influencer. Here, generally, it is the brand or the business which has to pay up the TDS. It is not the influencer as such. But if the influencer is going to give back the product which is being given to them, then the brand or the business is not required to pay the TDS or the tax. For example, if I am brand A and if I give you a freebie to promote, then on your social media, say it's on an Instagram or Facebook or whatsoever, I'm the person who has to be paying the TDS and not you as the influencer. Which means 10% TDS will be paid by the brand which is asking you to promote the product as such. So to conclude, I would like to say that if you're a social media influencer, please be aware of your laws and the rights which will help and protect you. Please keep yourself updated with the current laws. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until then, see you. Bye-bye.